Which is better, YouTube TV or Philo Live TV? Now, it depends on what you're looking for, right? So, if you're looking for a wide variety of channels, so that includes sports, local channels, news, go for YouTube TV. If you're looking for something that's more entertainment based and just the core of the TV series, then look for Philo. But of course, it has its pros and cons, right? For example, for YouTube TV, even though you're getting a wide variety of things, it's pretty expensive. It starts at around $82 per month, although right now it's discounted for $69 per month for your first 6 months. And then after that, you have to pay around $82 per month after with a YouTube TV based plan. Pretty expensive, right? But you can watch live TV from over 100 plus channel, and it includes most of it, right? So major news outlets, sports, and a lot of entertainment channels along with it as well. And if that's what you're looking for, then of course, go with YouTube TV. But if you're looking for something that's just entertainment, you don't really care about sports or local channels, go with Philo. Philo is live TV, movies, shows, and free channels, right? And it comes at a starting price of $25, I'm pretty sure. And it comes with the base channel that's mostly entertainment based, right? But again, you won't get sports or major news outlets. So that is the comparison of Philo and YouTube TV.